Imagine sitting in bumper-to-bumper traffic when, with the push of a button, your car lifts off the ground and flies right over it. For decades, that sounded like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But not anymore. Around the world, engineers and automakers are turning this dream into reality with incredible flying cars and eVTOL aircraft that are already being tested, certified, and even prepared for commercial launch. From futuristic personal vehicles to next-generation air taxis, the future is arriving faster than most people expected. In today's video, we're counting down 20 flying cars that are finally becoming reality. Some of these amazing machines can drive on roads. Others are built to transform urban travel forever. And every single one will blow your mind. So buckle up, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's take off into the future. Jetson One. Jetson One is one of those machines that makes you stop and think, the future is finally here. Designed as a personal electric aircraft, it looks like a racing drone you can actually sit in. Powered by 8 electric motors, it reaches a top speed of 63 miles per hour, 102 kilometers per hour, and delivers around the 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Despite its futuristic design, it's built with serious safety features, including a ballistic parachute, redundant propulsion, and auto landing assistance. The starting price is around $128,000, with new orders currently scheduled for future production slots due to strong demand. If you've ever dreamed of owning your own flying vehicle, the Jetson One brings that dream closer than ever. Volocopter VoloXPro. The Volocopter VoloXPro proves that personal electric flight is no longer just a concept. It's becoming a practical reality. Designed as a fully electric 2-seat multicopter, it's aimed at flight schools, sightseeing operators, and future air taxi services. With 18 rotors, a 70 km per hour cruising speed, and a maximum range of 40 kilometers, 25 miles, it focuses on safe, quiet, and emission-free flying. Its advanced fly-by-wire controls and modular design make it surprisingly easy to operate. Volocopter says the VoloXPro will be priced around the cost of a luxury car, though an exact figure hasn't been announced. Market entry is targeted for late 2026, making this one of the most exciting flying vehicles to watch. GAC GOVY AirCab. The GAC GOVY AirCab is one of the most exciting flying vehicles we've seen because it's designed to make urban air travel feel as simple as hailing a ride. This 2-seat all-electric eVTOL features a lightweight carbon fiber body, advanced autonomous flight technology, and multiple redundant safety systems for added confidence in the air. It can reach speeds of around 120 kilometers per hour, 75 miles per hour, offers a 20 to 30 kilometer range, and supports 25-minute fast charging for quick turnaround. GAC has announced a guide price of up to 1.68 million RMB, about $234,000 US, with customer deliveries expected by the end of 2026. It's a bold glimpse at how everyday commuting could soon leave traffic behind. Velocitor X1. The Velocitor X1 looks like it flew straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a real personal eVTOL that's already accepting reservations. Built for solo flight, this single-seat electric aircraft uses 8 independent electric motors to take off and land vertically, eliminating the need for a runway. It cruises at 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour, and offers up to 45 minutes of flight time, plus a 15-minute safety reserve. Safety is a major focus, with a ballistic parachute, LiDAR obstacle detection, and redundant propulsion systems. The introductory price is $156,000, with the first production slots already available for reservation and deliveries planned for 2027. If personal flight is your dream, the Velocitor X1 is one of the closest things to making it a reality. XPeng Land Aircraft Carrier. The XPeng Land Aircraft Carrier isn't just another flying car. It's one of the boldest transportation concepts ever created. Instead of being a single vehicle, it's a 6x6 electric ground carrier that transports a detachable 2-seat eVTOL aircraft, letting you drive to a launch point and then take to the skies. The air module features 6 rotors with foldable arms for vertical takeoff and landing, while the ground vehicle recharges and stores the aircraft between flights. XPeng is targeting a price below $280,000, with the first customer deliveries expected to begin in 2026. If it lives up to its promise, this could completely redefine personal mobility and make the dream of owning a flying car a reality. Ascendance ATEA. The Ascendance ATEA is a flying aircraft built for the real world, not just flashy demonstrations. Instead of relying only on batteries, it uses a hybrid electric propulsion system, giving it a remarkable range of up to 400 kilometers, 250 miles, while carrying 4 passengers plus a pilot. With vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL capability, it can operate from compact spaces and then transition into efficient winged flight for longer trips. Designed for regional air mobility, the ATEA is expected to cruise at around 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour. Ascendance hasn't announced an official price yet, but industry estimates place it in the multi-million-dollar commercial aircraft range. It's a smart, practical vision of how regional air travel could soon become cleaner, quieter, and far more accessible. Jetoptera J-2000. The Jetoptera J-2000 takes a completely different approach to personal flight by replacing traditional propellers with its revolutionary fluidic propulsion system, FPS. That means quieter operation, greater efficiency, and impressive performance. Designed as a 2-seat VTOL aircraft, it's expected to reach speeds of up to 200 knots, 230 miles per hour / 370 kilometers per hour, while offering a maximum range of around 400 miles, 640 kilometers. Powered by a 2,000 horsepower class turboshaft-based propulsion system, the J-2000 aims to deliver fast, long-range urban and regional air mobility. Jetoptera hasn't announced an official price yet, but industry analysts expect it to cost well over $1 million once it enters commercial production. If it performs as promised, the J-2000 could redefine what next-generation air travel looks like. Samson Sky Switchblade. The Samson Sky Switchblade is one of the closest things to the flying car we've all imagined growing up. At first glance, it looks like a sleek 3-wheeled sports car, but with the push of a button, its wings unfold and the rear propeller deploys, transforming it into a high-performance aircraft in under 3 minutes. Powered by a 260 horsepower hybrid electric gasoline engine, it reaches 125 plus miles per hour, 201 plus kilometers per hour on the road, and 160 miles per hour, 257 kilometers per hour in the air, with a cruising range of up to 450 miles, 724 kilometers. The expected base price is around $170,000 to $200,000, making it surprisingly attainable compared to many private aircraft. If you're looking for a vehicle that truly bridges driving and flying, the Switchblade is one of the most exciting projects in development today. Coolfly eVTOL. The Coolfly eVTOL is designed to make personal flight more accessible than ever. Instead of targeting luxury buyers, Coolfly focuses on creating an affordable, easy-to-fly electric aircraft for everyday adventures. This single-seat eVTOL reaches a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour, offers 30 minutes of flight time, and supports a 110-kilogram payload. Safety features include a ballistic parachute, AI-assisted flight control, radar-assisted auto-landing, and redundant motor systems. With a starting price of around $70,000 for the eVTOL S model, it's one of the most affordable personal flying vehicles currently in development, making the dream of owning a flying machine feel closer than ever. Leo JetBike. The Leo JetBike feels like it came straight out of a futuristic action movie, but it's very real and it's getting close to production. Unlike most eVTOLs, it uses a propeller-free electric jet propulsion system, making it safer and more compact. Designed for a single rider, it reaches speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour, with 10 to 15 minutes of flight time, and can be stored and charged in a standard home garage. Even more impressive, it's designed to operate under FAA Part 103 ultralight rules, meaning no pilot's license is expected in the US. The starting price is $99,900, with the deliveries planned to begin in late 2026. EHang VT35. The EHang VT35 is proof that autonomous flying vehicles are moving beyond prototypes and into the real world. Built as a pilotless two-seat eVTOL, it combines 8 lift propellers with a fixed-wing cruise design to deliver an impressive 200 kilometers, 124-mile range, and a cruising speed of over 216 kilometers per hour, 134 miles per hour. Inside, passengers enjoy a spacious cabin with smart controls, while advanced obstacle avoidance and redundant safety systems handle the flight automatically. The official price in China is 6.5 million Chinese yuan, about $900,000 US. If you're wondering what the future of intercity air travel looks like, the VT35 is a remarkable glimpse of what's coming next. AutoFlight Prosperity I. The AutoFlight Prosperity I is the kind of aircraft that makes the future of air travel feel incredibly close. Built as a 5-seat all-electric eVTOL, it's designed to replace long road commutes with fast, quiet flights between cities. Thanks to its lift and cruise design, it reaches cruising speeds above 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour, and offers an impressive range of more than 250 kilometers, 155 miles, on a single charge. With 10 lift propellers, 3 pusher propellers, and a lightweight carbon fiber structure, it's engineered for efficiency and safety. While AutoFlight hasn't officially announced a retail price, industry estimates place it at around $1.5 million. This is one flying vehicle that's clearly built for the next generation of air mobility. TCab Tech S20. The TCab Tech E20 is built to change the way we travel between cities, replacing long road journeys with fast, all-electric flights. Designed to carry 1 pilot and 4 passengers, this tilt-rotor eVTOL reaches a top speed of 320 kilometers per hour, 199 miles per hour, and offers a range of up to 200 kilometers, 124 miles. Its 800-volt ultra-fast charging system, lightweight carbon fiber airframe, and multiple redundant safety systems make it a serious contender in the future of air mobility. While TCab Tech hasn't announced an official selling price, the company aims to begin commercial deliveries around 2027 after certification. The E20 is a glimpse into a cleaner, faster future of transportation. Volant VE25. The Volant VE25-100 is one of the most promising air taxis on the horizon, built to transform short regional travel. Designed to carry 1 pilot and 5 passengers, this all-electric eVTOL combines vertical takeoff with efficient winged flight, reaching a cruising speed of 235 kilometers per hour, 146 miles per hour, and offering an impressive 200 to 400 kilometers, 124 to 249 miles of range. With 8 electric lift motors, a 500 kilogram payload capacity, and multiple redundant safety systems, it's engineered for commercial operations. Volant has not announced an official selling price, but certification is targeted for 2027, making the VE25-100 a serious contender in the future of advanced air mobility. Shenzhen Shensi VTOL. The Shenzhen Shensi eVTOL is built to bring the future of personal aviation within reach. Designed as a lightweight electric VTOL aircraft, it focuses on safe, efficient, and easy-to-operate flight for short-distance travel. The aircraft features a multi-rotor electric propulsion system, advanced flight control technology, and redundant safety systems to improve reliability. While the company is still refining final production specifications, it's expected to target urban mobility and recreational flying. Official pricing has not yet been announced, but the aircraft remains one of China's promising next-generation eVTOL projects to watch as development continues. United Aircraft R6000. The United Aircraft R6000 is unlike any flying vehicle on this list because it's built to handle everything from passenger transport to heavy cargo missions. This 6-ton tiltrotor aircraft combines helicopter-style vertical takeoff with the speed of a fixed-wing airplane, reaching an impressive 550 kilometers per hour, 342 miles per hour, and offering a maximum range of 4,000 kilometers, 2,485 miles. It can carry up to 2,000 kilograms of payload or be configured to transport 6 to 12 passengers. While United Aircraft has not announced an official selling price, the R6000 is aimed at commercial and government operators rather than private buyers. It's a remarkable glimpse into the future of long-range, high-speed air mobility. Aridge A868. The Aridge A868 is built for people who want more than short city hops. It's designed to make long-distance flying a practical reality. This 6-seat hybrid electric tiltrotor aircraft combines vertical takeoff with efficient winged flight, delivering a top speed of over 360 kilometers per hour, 224 miles per hour, and an impressive range exceeding 500 kilometers, 310 miles. Its spacious cabin targets business and regional travel, while the hybrid powertrain extends endurance far beyond most battery-only eVTOLs. Aridge has not announced an official price, but the A868 is expected to compete in the premium commercial aviation market. If you're looking at the next generation of high-speed air mobility, this is one aircraft you won't want to miss. Cheryland and Air Vehicle. The Cheryland and Air Vehicle is one of the boldest transportation concepts we've seen, combining a futuristic electric car with a detachable eVTOL aircraft for true ground and air mobility. Designed for short urban flights, the aircraft features vertical takeoff and landing, autonomous flight capabilities, and an intelligent cockpit, while the ground vehicle serves as both a transporter and charging station. Chery has showcased the project as part of its next-generation mobility vision, though full production specifications and pricing have not yet been announced. Even so, it's a fascinating glimpse into a future where your daily commute could begin on the road and end in the sky.